Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you what is the best time to post on TikTok. So there is no direct best time to post on TikTok because TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized, and that means that TikTok shows content to users based on their interests and behavior. So you should try go into your menu in the top right corner of the screen, and then go to TikTok Studio, go to your analytics and go to section viewers, and if you scroll down you will see here most active times, and this is basically the hours when your followers, or not just followers, in general viewers, when your viewers are most active, and that will be the real best time for you. And to access this analytics feature, you need to make sure that you are on business account. If you're willing to access this analytics tool, which I highly recommend, you can go to our channel and find the video how to analyze TikTok analytics, and there I describe step by step how to do it. And also another tip that you should post consistently on TikTok, so it's 3 to 5 times per week, because as we all know that consistency is key. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.